Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And you know, I was looking at that Retekess radio, and I asked for inputs, and I got several inputs. I want to thank everybody for their comments and their information. And they said, several of them said, that it's the same as this radio right here. This radio right here. And so I did a search on that one, and I found 2 or 3 videos, 2 from very popular and very good review people. One is Todderbert and one's Jill's. And their reviews were very different. Now, Todderbert really likes this radio, and he did several shows on it. He liked it so well. And down here, here's the features he likes about this radio. The list is pretty extensive. And then here's ones that he said need to be added or improved, pretty short. And down here he says, overall, a fun little radio to own. If you're into portable radios, check out this one. I am very happy with mine at the mid-price of, I think, $35. He got his from China. Took him a while to get it, but he got it from China directly. Anyway, so he really likes it. Now then, I went to I did a search on this radio, and I found one on Amazon right here. Here it is. Comes in, I think this is like gray and gold. I like the gold. And it only comes from one seller right now. And there's an additional $2 shipping. So that makes it about $42, and it takes a while to get it. So it's probably coming from China. Now, if I go back to this one, which is the one I showed you originally, it's $50. So it's $8 more, but I can get it on Prime and get it Tuesday and free returns if I don't like it, which I typically don't do unless it doesn't work at all. So here's another. So back to Todderbert. He liked it. He really liked it, and he said it over and over and over again. And he did mention it has a few shortcomings. But here, another very popular, oh no, this is a different one. I'm sorry, this is a different one. This is just a 1-minute video showing the air band. And that's all it is. The other one I'm looking for is right here. Jill's. Jill's did not like this radio. He says it's a piece of junk. So is it a case where it's quality control problem, where one radio will be good and the other one not so good? Or is Jill's more critical than Todderbert? I don't know. I'm really confused. I'm really on the fence here. So I still don't know what to do. You know, I maybe write to Todderbert and just ask him directly, you know, what did he really think? Now that he's had it for a while, because this was April in 2019. Now that he had it a while, does he still like it as much as he did in these videos? And like I say, he has several videos, and he scans the air band, he scans the shortwave band. This one is just kind of an introduction to the radio and showing all the functions, which it has a lot of functions. But of course, if it doesn't receive well, no use getting it. So anyway, tell me what you think. I'm going to leave links to Todderbert's and Jill's videos so you can watch them yourself, and you can leave a comment after watching them. I'd appreciate that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.